We build trucks here. So when I say that, we bring in the cab and chassis and we put the gear on them to turn out a complete plow unit to a region or camp. And that saves a significant amount of money as to just going out and buying new every time you do that. When people think of DOT, they think about the guys plowing the snow, okay? This operation, we don't plow snow, but we keep the equipment running for the people that do plow snow. What we try to come up with is solutions to problems that haven't arisen yet. We probably start our winter operation, at least in this facility, around August, or that's when we usually like to. And what that means is that we're making consumable parts. So we're making the push arms, we're making the trip blocks, we're refurbishing things that they'll use all winter long. There's probably somewhere in the vicinity of around 90 items or so that we create here that we don't have to buy because it's more cost effective to make it in-house. So we're gonna make sure that as much of the equipment is ready to fight snow as can be.